Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 24 F150 four-door, four-wheel drive. We installed a Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger, set of long tubes. We're going to go down, take a look at the engine compartment, then watch that pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us if today. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so these F150 Superchargers from Whipple have been super popular. We do keep them in stock. We can ship them right to your door. Or if you want to come in for an install, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But Doug gone down, take a look. So here's what we have today. Only mods we did was a Stage 2 Whipple. You get the nice 132 throttle body, big air induction system, set of stainless works, long tube headers, our factory connect, and then a Borla catback system. I will put links in the description, so you can open that up, click on them, read a lot more about this kit, everything else that comes in it. But now check out this dyno pull. Hey, I know this is a quick one, but I'll put a link at the end of this video. You can click on a lot of other F-150 videos where we have trucks like this that we just installed the Stage 2 kit, or we went a lot more in power, like maybe return style fuel system, E85, a lot more mods. But this is 93 octane, Dyno SAE, Whipple calibration, 641 roll horsepower, peaking at 6,800. Torque comes in great, 547, peaking at 5,400, boost is at 11.8. And that's straight up Stage 2 Whipple kit, Whipple calibration, 93 octane on this 24 F-150 four-wheel drive truck. Have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. We're in Indiana, quote@brenspeed.com. Like I said, what's it cost to get installed? Or we do keep Whipples in stock. We can ship them right to your door. Thanks for watching.